Hi, boys and girls. Welcome to the engineering section of STREAM. And when you're an engineer, you build things. Since our task is all about trying to find the hidden community heroes, we thought it would be really fun for you to try and build one of the following structures with either Legos, Play-Doh, or some other building material your teacher may give you. Now, in our classes, we have discovered quite a few hidden community heroes. On this video, these are just a few of the buildings that our hidden community heroes work in. We have a firehouse, a school, a hospital, a police station, and I'm sure you can think of a few others as well. You try and build one of the following. And when you're done, you can take a video or a picture of it and send it to your teacher on Seesaw. Make sure you tell them what building you made and who works in that building. Have so much fun.